Are you constantly worried about how to manage your finances, save money, and pay off debt? It's a common concern, one that plagues many of us in our day-to-day lives. The art of financial management is a struggle, a balancing act between saving for the future and settling past dues. This video aims to shed some light on this topic, offering practical advice and strategies to help you conquer this financial conundrum. Stay tuned as we delve into a step-by-step guide on how to navigate these financial hurdles. To begin with, you need to establish a solid savings plan. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a savings plan? Simply put, it's a strategic approach to setting aside money for specific goals or emergencies in the future. This might be anything from a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or a safety net for unexpected expenses. The first step in creating a practical and realistic savings plan is determining your savings goals. Are you saving for a new car? Do you want to build an emergency fund? Or maybe you're planning for retirement? Whatever your goals are, it's crucial to have a clear vision of what you're saving for. Next, you need to figure out how much money you can realistically save each month. This involves taking a hard look at your income and expenses. What's left after you've paid all your bills? Can you cut back on non-essential spending to boost your savings? Remember, every little bit helps. Once you've determined how much you can save, it's time to stick to your plan. This is where discipline comes in. It might be tempting to dip into your savings for non-essential purchases, but resist the urge. Keep your goals in mind and remember why you started saving in the first place. A few tips to help you stick to your savings plan include automating your savings, so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings account. You could also try the envelope system, where you set aside cash in envelopes for different spending categories. And once it's gone, it's gone. Another tip is to keep your savings in a separate account, so you're not tempted to dip into them. In the long run, a good savings plan can pave the way to financial freedom. It can provide you with the means to make major purchases without going into debt, cover unexpected expenses without stress, and ensure a comfortable retirement. To sum it up, a savings plan is more than just a financial tool. It's a commitment to your future, a testament to your discipline, and a step towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, a good savings plan is the first step towards financial freedom. Now that you have a savings plan in place, it's time to tackle your debt. Debt, often seen as a financial burden, is not always bad. There's a distinction to be made between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, in simple terms, is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Think student loans, mortgages, or business loans. These types of debts can lead to financial growth in the long run. On the other hand, bad debt is debt that doesn't increase your wealth or create income. This usually comes from things like credit cards or high-interest personal loans, which can often spiral out of control if not managed properly. Now that we've differentiated between the two, let's discuss strategies to pay off your debt. Two popular methods are the snowball and avalanche strategies. The snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first, gaining momentum as each balance is paid off. It's like rolling a snowball down a hill. It starts small and gets bigger with each roll. The avalanche method, on the other hand, focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This approach can save you more money in the long run, but it requires discipline, as it might take longer to see the results. Choosing between these two methods depends on your personality and financial situation. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, the snowball method might work better for you. But if you're motivated by numbers and long-term savings, then the avalanche method could be your best bet. The importance of paying off debt can't be overstated. It's the key to becoming financially stable. Having less debt means having more money to invest in your future. It means less stress and more financial freedom. It can even improve your credit score, making it easier to get loans in the future. With a solid debt payoff strategy, you're well on your way to financial stability. In this short span, we've covered a lot about managing finances. We dove into the importance of a solid savings plan, emphasizing the need for discipline, consistency, and a clear goal. We also tackled the debt payoff strategy, underlining the significance of prioritizing debts, maintaining a regular payment schedule, and the power of negotiation. These two elements, working hand in hand, are your ticket to a more secure financial future. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a plan. Make yours today and step into a stress-free financial future.